likes it, episode 2, the Dexter DL2X30 dryer. There are several generations of this machine out there. The nice thing about Dexter is most of their parts are cross-compatible between generations. So you can use an older generation motor on a newer machine or a newer belt tensioner on an older machine. Most of it will go across the board. This machine also uses one computer rather than two like other brands. This is a lot more affordable if you happen to have computer problems and need to send it out for repair or replacement. Moving on to the back. Having the fan and drive belts exposed on this machine allows you to routinely visually inspect them, make sure they're not cracked or breaking, give you a chance to replace them before the machine fails. This machine also uses a very heavy-duty trunnion and bearing housing setup. The bearings on this generally go longer than the other brands, but without rollers for front support, it is critical to stay on top of them to get the longest life possible out of your machine. Over time, as the bearings wear, it will start to lower the front of the drum, and you don't want it to rub. So routinely check your dryer, make sure the drums aren't floppy. If they are, replace your bearings. Stay on top of that, and this machine should last you many, many years.